Friends, let us learn today use of I am, you are. We use I am when we talk about ourselves, and we use you are when we are talking about somebody else. Now let's call Ritu and Rohan and see how they use I am. I am Ritu. I am a girl. I am Rohan. I am a boy. Let's call Pooja and Amit and see how they use I am and you are. I am Pooja. I am a girl. You are Amit. Are a boy. I am Amit. I am a boy. You are Pooja. You are a girl. Now let's hear from Ananya and Rahul how they talk about themselves. I am Rahul. I am a boy. I am Ananya. I am a girl. Let's call Seema. She will talk about herself. Seema, I am a girl. Now let's call Pooja and she will talk about Seema. You are Seema. You are a girl. Great, Pooja and Seema. We have Aman with us. Now let's call Chintu to talk about himself and Aman. I am Chintu. I am a boy. You are Aman. You are a boy. That's great, Chintu. All. I think you must have now understood how to use I am and you are. So now let's ask Arav to tell about himself. I am Arav. I'm a boy. Good job, Arav. Now lastly, let's see this picture and tell what should we use here. I am or you are. The hand is pointing to old man himself. So we should use I am. I am old. Now let's see the next picture. In this, the old man is pointing his hand to the young girl. So he wants to say something about the young girl. So what should he use? Yes, you are young. Now let's see the next picture. The next picture is of elephant. Now elephant is saying about himself. So what we should use here? Yes, we should use I am big. Now in the next picture we can see elephant and a mouse. And now elephant wants to say something about mouse. So what would he use? Yes, you are small. That's correct. So friends, I think you now know when to use I am and you are. So bye for now.